Alright, boys. We're fucking strapping all these to the back. We're pulling it with a Kawasaki Berry 700. And me.
Sean, we're gonna make it in line.
Fucking oil dipsticks on the ground, all bent to fuck. This we can put in the motor.
Oh, put it. Give me a tire.
What?
I think I can fit a tire.
The fucking tire? Not that one.
Yeah, that tire.
Yeah, that one.
Hopefully we don't pop it. Your brother needs it for his truck.
Only a
He's going to Ford tire. It doesn't matter.
Jesus Christ.
Go.
Oh my God, John, it's fucking drooling.
Wonder if we can pull it.
The fucking water is coming out of the seat.
Because I jammed a hole in it with the hammer.
You fucking jackass.
Wait.
The fuck did you just break up?
Do that until you get going. Ready? I'll do the honors. We're going racing, boys.
Sean, you're fucking.
I don't want to.
I've never seen her retard. You're the retard.
Oh, she's spinning.
Well, Sean, you gotta get on it.
Yo,
No.
wait, Sean, sit on the fucking
Sean,
tractor.
Sean, you weigh so much more. No, don't ruin those. Don't ruin those. Sean, you weigh so
Wow,
much
you were
more.
fucking spinning so hard.
What about this set? This is a bad set.
Dude, but then once I actually got hooked, I started going even better.
Yeah, I know, dude. You got more straps? We'll just keep on fucking.
Dude, just put them on the cinder blocks. Pile them up on the cinder blocks. Watch.
So just hook this one on. There's more room.
Wait, watch.
What the fuck?
Pull this tire. This tire has to come forward.
Dude, what are we even doing, dude? You have no lawn left at all in this area.
Sean, this needs to come really close. Help.
Maya, when you run out of gas, I'm not carrying all this shit out of the woods.
Wait.
Dude, one of us is getting hurt today.
Not me.
Probably me. Probably gonna be the driver.
I'm not riding on it, so.
Ow.
Yep. Ow.
I got pinched.
I'm glad I fucking had the helmet for that one. He was roosting me in the face.
Sean.
Watch out.
Wait.
Back up. People are gonna get wet.
Keep going, Sean.
Oh my God.
I almost lost my key for good. Sean, what do you think my parents are gonna say if they come back and they see this?
Dude, they are gonna be. What are they gonna say about your fucking lawn? Sean, you fucking dink.
Sean, pick it up, put it all back.
It's fucking muddy.
You know what we didn't do yet?
Clean up the grass.
We didn't turn it around.
No.
So while you guys turn this around, I'm gonna just push this forward real quick.
No, we'll just tow it around.
No!
I'm not turning this fucking thing around.
Me either.
Me and Sean will.
Oh no, Robbie, you lost your bolt and a spark plug.
I know.
Do you hear that thing?
Yeah. Dude, there's a fucking dipstick. You ran it over.
You know why it's looking so fucking bad? Because the only traction I have is like right here.
We gotta do a page, Vermont retards.
No, Vermont flat. They do too flat.
I think we're good with poundage.
Make sure it's still strapped, still fucking on.
I smell something clapped in the air.
Oh God. It's that fucking thing. Oh, Sean did a mixed match.
Just walking my fucking ATV.
You ran. Oh no, you didn't.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, dude, look at my dipstick.
What are your parents gonna say when they see the yard?
It's flat.
They're gonna be like, what the fuck? Be like, yeah, we rototilled for you.
Sean, you realize what we got to do now.
Yeah, I realize this.
Move this real quick.
Why don't you just unstrap it real quick and move the straps to the other side of the tires?
Because we still have to turn this around.
That won't be hard. Robbie's got a point.
Okay. Where the fuck is the retard?
Robbie. Fucking thing won't move.
This fucking strap's not coming out. Is it unhooked? Oh my God.
It looks like my chariot awaits.
Not really.
Yeah, Sean. I'm blocking the camera. You gotta edit this now.
No. He's not gonna edit it. Move that fucking metal shit.
The fucking exhaust smells so bad.
Here we go, attempt number 3. It's because its gas is so expensive.
Yeah.
It's big block
What's
gas.
that, Frankie Blue?
Now get roosted, boys. What the fuck?
Sean, you are the one that hooked that up.
Robbie, you didn't move a fucking inch.
Move it so I don't pop a tire, but I run over it.
This is fucking retarded.
It's coming.
You gotta push me back.
Well, at least if you fucking, I'll have time to slow down.
What?
What if the fucking, like, police showed up right now?
What are they gonna do?
Yeah, but what would they think?
They would laugh their ass off. Now tie it to that fucking ring. No, other ring.
The other rig.
That was the motor mount.
You're a fucking motor mount.
Sean.
We found.
Hey, I got four-wheel drive.
It sounds like that.
Bro.
Normal ground.
Dude, we fucking tore this bitch up.
You know what that means? Get a rake. Loosen it.
Maya, did you bring your custom hearing protection?
No, I lost it at the track.
Ha! You lost it a long time ago.
My hearing, yeah.
Everything.
I still have selective hearing. Mom, what do you